Hi, I'm Victor Jimenez, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of button navigation and navigation of your M400. So first of all, I want to show you the M400 right here. The M400 has multiple buttons and some features that this is where we're going to be talking about how to navigate using them. Your 400 has 3 buttons here on the horizontal side, 1 button on the side, and this little area right here between these 2 spots is a trackpad. All of them can be used for navigation of your M400. First of all, let's talk about the buttons, right? First, let's talk about the power button. It's this button right here on the side of your M400. This button is what we call the power button. The button has dual functionality as we talked about. If you press it one time, it will just put the unit in sleep. The unit's still on, still using very little battery, but it's still on and able to be used in a second. Now, if you really want to turn off your M400, you just long press it, hold it for more than 2 seconds, and then you see the power button show up, the power menu show up. This one you can navigate, you can power off, restart, or dismiss, as you can see in the view right here. Now, let's talk about the actual horizontal buttons. The forward button, like we talked about, is the button that lets you navigate left or right, or in some cases up, like it's in the settings. The middle button is the opposite direction. It goes down or right, depending on the application. The rear button for a single button is just a simple select. So if I click it once, I can enter any application and do any options that a single click button will actually do. Now, let's talk about dual functionality. The forward button, when you press and hold it, you're going to be able to access the menu. Some applications, it will actually bring the actual menu screen, or others will actually bring you to the options of that application, like it's in our launcher. The middle button, when you press and hold it, it is our home gesture. Like any Android device, you have a home button that navigates you all the way to the launcher application. So if I'm in any of our applications and I hold the center button, it will just go back to the home option. The rear button, the select, it's a little bit different. The select button, when you hold it down, it actually does what in Android is called a back action. So in Android, you have the little back button. This is essentially it. If you want to navigate back from where you are, you simply hold it for a second and you can see that it's the back button press. I hold it again and it's another back button press back button. So now let's talk about the trackpad. Trackpad, as we mentioned already, you can do simple swipe gestures forward and backwards. In some applications that's supported, like I'm going to show you right here in settings, up and down also do upright, and so does left and right. The other options that you can do with here is with 2 fingers you can tap it, and essentially it becomes the back button. So that's simple button and trackpad navigation for your M400. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if there's any questions on this product or any of its features, feel free to contact us at www.vuzix.com. Thank you, and hope you enjoy your M400.